What you're looking at right now is pineapple upside down cake. And no, Steph the producer did not make this. And today, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to learn how to make this lovely, wonderful, absolutely delicious pineapple upside down cake made by the one and the only
Crumb Boss.
Hi, Crumb Boss.
Hi.
Ooh, look at you.
Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here.
What's going on?
We got pineapple upside down cake.
Why is it upside down?
Steph dropped it.
Yeah, I'm going to make upside down cake pops.
Yeah.
Me and Yo-Yo Max.
Pretty much everything Steph makes is upside down.
Exactly. Don't worry, I'll be coming back strong in September.
I know, everybody's asking.
All right, these videos are very intense, so let's just get right down to it. All right, so what are we making, Crumb Boss?
All right, I've already made the cake batter for your pineapple upside down cake. So really what I'm going to show you, these are individuals. So I made it both ways just to show you that you can either do it in an 8-inch cake pan, the way that I did, or I'm going to do the individuals, which I used a, this is actually called a jumbo Texas muffin pan. I mean, like, look how big this is.
Yeah, left
right?
my exes in Texas. Adios, say goodbye.
So that's what makes, I mean, you could make them in regular size muffin tins, I suppose. However, the Texas style muffin pan fits the canned pineapple slice perfectly in the bottom. Do you see that?
Did you get it in Texas?
I did.
Oh.
Yeah.
Were you at the Alamo?
Yes, I was.
All right. So what do we got on your flippin' pan?
Yeah, right
your
over
frying pan.
my flippin' frying pan.
What do you got on your flippin' frying pan, from
right
Boss?
here, I'm just melting down some brown sugar and some butter.
Okay.
And this is going to be that sugary, like, if you guys have ever eaten pineapple upside down cake, the really nice thing about it is that it's not just a plain old vanilla cake with pineapples in it. It's actually got like this sugary, like caramelly, syrupy stuff that you're going to put in the bottom of your pan first. So when all of that stuff bakes and then you flip out your cake, you've got like this caramelly sugar mixture. It's really good. Have you ever had a pineapple upside down cake?
No.
Really? I'm surprised that your mom never made that.
No. Oh yeah. Well, you know.
That's like, I mean, my mom always made that. That to me is like
You've been
very
baking
70s.
since you came out of your mom.
All right, so here we have it. You're not going to really cook it much more than that. It's already started to kind of caramelize a little bit, got kind of thick. Let me grab a wooden spoon.
All right, so she's going to get her wooden spoon. So, ladies and gentlemen, vanilla cake, pineapples. The thing is starting to caramelize.
Yeah.
And I can't even. I'm like talking like I'm from like Welcome Back Kotter or something. What the hell, Gretchen?
Aw, poor shit, dog.
I know. How are you?
See that?
Caramelized. How do you say it? Caramelized?
Yeah, you can say that. I say caramelized.
Caramelized. It's like a word that's
Caramelized.
Wikipedia to you.
All right, so there you have. This is very hot. Again, guys, when you start cooking sugar, you have to be very careful. So you're
It
going to
smells fabulous.
Oh, isn't it good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you're going to take that. Now, you can also make this ahead of time if you wanted to, and that way it's not so piping hot, and it's a little bit easier to work with. But basically, you're going to just take a little bit of that stuff and put into the bottom of each one of these indents in your muffin tin. Now, if you were to use a cake pan, you would basically just pour this whole mixture into the cake pan.
Yeah.
In an 8-inch cake pan. Now, I've already greased these this muffin tin with some spray, just like this.
That's the hairspray.
Yeah, right. Because you want your cake to be able to release.
Okay.
So, okay, you get the idea. I'm putting a little bit of that mixture into each one.
Yes.
Then you're going to put your pineapple.
Okay.
Down in the bottom of each one as well.
Oh, that's cool. So this is pineapple upside down cake and individuals.
Right. So
and right now you're doing the individuals.
That's right.
In your Texas tray.
And then the other thing about a pineapple upside down cake.
I ate one of the cherries.
Oh, that's why we've only got 4. So I'll only be able to show you 4, guys. Yeah. It's like baking
I didn't think you were going to notice and use it.
Yeah, of course not.
She's
You
got
don't think I would notice?
No,
she's got so precise.
She's got a whole table over here.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, let me take a cherry.
Exactly the amount of cherries.
Yeah, look at now there's 6 and I ate 2. Well, I ate 2. And well, whatever. I ate 1. I don't know how many I ate.
Well, I was only going to show 5.
You're only going to show 5, but you can't because now Steph ate it.
The thing about pineapple upside down cake with that maraschino cherry in the middle, that to me just screams 70s. So this cake, I mean, you know, it doesn't go out of style, but it is a very old-fashioned style.
Yeah. Do you know my sister-in-law makes pineapple kugel?
Kugel is a German word for cake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like that.
So here, like I said, I've went ahead and mixed my yellow cake, my vanilla cake recipe ahead of time.
Yeah.
So we've already done that how many times, so I'm not going to show you
That's
how to do
vanilla
it
cake
again.
5, right?
Vanilla cake, just vanilla cake.
Vanilla cake, just
Yeah.
vanilla. Why, how many vanilla cakes are there?
I have 2 on the blog.
Oh,
One
how
says
many, let me ask you this, how many kinds of buttercream do you have on the blog? Yeah, one.
Probably 3. Chocolate, vanilla, and mocha.
Ah, you got me, Gretchen. You're funny, babe. You are funny.
Alright, so you guys get the idea. You're going to want to bake this at about 350 degrees. These individual ones didn't take much more than 20 minutes, but if you're going to do the cake, I'd say at least 40 minutes, 45 minutes in the oven.
Okay.
Alright, flip them out when they're fairly hot, not piping hot directly out of the oven, but you don't want to let them cool too much in the pan because then the sugar is going to stick and your cake is not going to come out.
So how do I eat it? Upside down and eat it right?
Yeah, stand on your head and...
No, you pick it up like this and you eat it right side up, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, just so you can eat it. They're
No,
delicious.
you take it like this and you flip it upside down, right?
No, it's already upside down. So here's the thing. In the oven, it's going to look like this.
Oh, okay.
See that?
Oh, I didn't get that. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the thing about it. When it's done baking, you're going to flip this pan up, to get your cakes out, and then the whole thing is going to look like that.
Oh, master pastry chef, right?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, yeah. That's an inside joke, everybody.
Yeah,
Big.
I'm really not a master.
Yeah, and I'm a master producer.
You're a master something. That's
Yeah, I'll tell you. Let me see. Come on, Gretchen. Hold up your